So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download the Zangi app on your PC. So starting off, you will need to open up your browser and first off go to BlueStacks. Once you've gone there, you can see BlueStacks play games on PC and Mac and it says Android emulator. So this is really important since you will need an Android emulator to get your Zangi app. Since there isn't a real PC Zangi or Zangi PC, you can get to Zangi.com or Zangi Private Messenger and you can click on Get the App. And you can see here the option to scan the QR code to download the app. But as it's obvious, the app will be downloaded on your mobile device, so it won't be getting to you. You will need to use an emulator since it's mainly used as a messaging device, mostly used by phones. But if you want to get it on your PC, you will need to get an emulator. As I mentioned before, BlueStacks is a direct emulator. You can use some other ones, but I'm sure that it's going to work for you on BlueStacks. Once you've downloaded BlueStacks, just log into your Google Play account and you can use the search on here to type in Zangi and you can see it's going to give you results straight away. So you can just check on it here and you can get it on BlueStacks. So you can even check before you download BlueStacks if there's Zangi on there, but as you can see, there is. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to their channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Zangi or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.